Hey Nick, what's up? I have a little bit of a proposal for you. Since we don't have a garage anymore and we're not in the same city so we can't collaborate, I figured that we should do a challenge. A challenge where we build something to make our home cooler in some way. I'm picking monkey bars, which I kind of stole probably from Jamie, but I had the idea that I should build monkey bars around my entire apartment so I can just monkey bar everywhere, and then it won't matter, like if we clean the floor or anything, it can just be really fucking dirty because we're just going to be monkey barring past it. So my challenge to you is to make something also really cool, like, I don't know, a giant wheel that you can run on that will power your fridge or something, or like a couch that's also a hammock that's big enough for like 3 people to sit in or something. I don't know. Use your imagination, and if you accept my challenge, make a YouTube video of your project and, you know, put it out there. And also, this challenge is open to anyone who sees this video, so anyone who wants to like make their house cooler and build cool things, you know, in a limited space with limited resources. Sweet, let's do it. Dang, I felt like Jesus carrying this shit home on my shoulders. Alright, so I've got 9 2x4s, which I managed to carry home from the lumberyard, which is like 20 minutes away on foot, which is pretty sweet. And it didn't cost that much. It came out to like $25, which, you know, is reasonable. I'll probably need funding to make the entire apartment into monkey bars, but this should do for like this test piece, which is going to go, well, it's not a test piece, it's going to be awesome. Anyway, I bet it'll go like right here and over the door, and I guess I should get started on it. So I'm just like in the middle of building this thing right now, and I'm just thinking about, I'm kind of like doing this on my own, right? My roommate, I'm not sure if he's totally into the make monkey bars around the entire apartment thing, so let's go ask him. Hey Peter.
What?
So, how do you feel about monkey bars around the entire apartment?
I don't like them.
What?
Monkeys are stupid.
Monkeys are awesome.
Children.
I bought bananas to commemorate the occasion. They're a little bit green though, but
I think monkeys will eat them green, though.
I was wondering that on the way to the hardware store while I was eating green bananas. Ketchup, do you like monkey bars?
Ketchup likes monkey bars. Yeah, ketchup.
Oh yeah, good slice right through my thumbnail. Now I just need bars, I guess. I have 1 bar. Woo!
talking to dude about stuff.
Like
hello
a
there,
whole
Nick.
thing significantly.
Yo, hey, I know that you're a busy man,
Show
and
me
I
your
obviously
feet.
have nothing better to do with my time but build monkey bars and host monkey bar themed parties. But please accept my challenge and let's see what you can do with this. That's pretty much it.
Hi, Mom.